Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Today's vehicle is a 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. We're going to do a quick little tour, kind of show you some of the exterior and interior features, and then of course if you're interested in getting additional information, even setting up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So the CLA 250 comes in a black exterior, we got a black interior, we have blind spot assist here, got power memory seats, heated seats as well here. Also have a heated steering wheel. Let's flip that switch right there to activate that. And here's our driver's seat. Quick look at our sunroof. And steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, so mileage is at 11,590 as of today. We do have a push button ignition. And here is our touchscreen display currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. It is a touchscreen, so of course you can control it just like this. So if you want to change your seat settings here, or even change the ambient lighting. Currently got this kind of green going on here. But here's the fire red and purple sky. All kinds of different multicolor as well as single color effects. You've also got these effects that you can turn on and off. The climate one is currently on, so the way that works is if you were to flip the switch and increase your temperature, it'll actually flash red, and if you were to flip it down, it'll flash blue there. Kind of fun. So in addition to the touchscreen, you also have controls here on your steering wheel. So your right one here will change that main display. You also have one on the left side, which is for your driver interface, which you can customize as well. All right, I guess while we're here, there is our Mercedes-Benz shifter. So if you're not familiar with how this works, you just flip it up for reverse, down for drive, and then push in for park. Okay, so underneath our display, we've got our physical climate control buttons here. You also have a menu that you can access. So you just flip that switch, and now you've got that on the touchscreen as well. Let's see, below that, we've got a little storage down here, USB connection, power adapter, cup holders here, and then the third way that you can access functions on the display is with this touchpad here in the center console. This will also have our dynamic select switch here, so how you switch between the different performance modes, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. All right, let's go ahead and hop out, show you a few more things here. Oh, wait. I guess one other thing to point out is this vehicle does have the clear film here on it, so that's to protect from door dings. It's a little hard to see, but you can see just this very, very thin film here that, again, prevents door dings, so we got that installed here for you. All right, so we got our rear seats here. Another look up at that sunroof. And let's do one more quick peek back up front. All right. And then coming around to the back, we have our CLA 250 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. We've got our trunk space here. And that is the CLA 250 4MATIC. So of course, if you're interested in learning more about the vehicle or you want to even set up that test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.